Good morning everyone, welcome all of you. We will go ahead and we'll check the login, how to log into SGRP and how to create a lead. So let's for login, you have to type in the address as sgerp.salmangroup.com/login. So this page will appear. Here you have to enter the username and the password as well. So I have entered my username and password and I'm into the login sheet. The main page has the different affiliates or the different branches. So as we need to create a lead, we have to select the corporate branch. So this is the corporate branch which I have selected, and now it will give me the main dashboard screen. From these three lines we have to select CRM and order management. Then we have to select CRM module. Then we have to select CRM transaction, and the first option is of lead in or inquiry entry. So this is the lead or inquiry entry. Now to create the new lead, I have to click on new. There would be a new option. It says, do you want to copy from the old lead request? For that we don't click on yes, we'll click on no. So we'll create an altogether new lead entry. So now first is the lead source option. Here is the lead number 25 with today's date, and then comes the first option of lead source. So lead source is mentioned either by marketing or reference by or walk-in or by email. So I'll select by marketing now. This is the first option. Then there is the industry or the verticals like the bakery or the pharma or beverages, medical, hospitals, dairy. So for this we'll select the ones like bakery industry. And then there is the lead probability. The lead probability means that whether it's a hot lead or is it a warm lead. That means whether it would be really successful, then it would be a hot lead, and if it would be just information taken by the person, that is a cold lead. So I'll select it as hot, 61 to 80% hot lead. And then there is the FG, that is the finished goods subgroup type. As it's a bakery, I'll select the cups or I'll select the rolls, etc. So first of all I'll select the ice cream cup over here. That would be a part of bakery as well. And then there is the costing has to be selected as well. Later on we'll select that. Just a minute. Then is the second thing is the party name. So the party name has to be selected. There is an initial party as well, test industries. I'll select the same. So this is the test industry, and all the details will be filled up automatically, like the name of the person, their contact number, their email ID. All of these details will get automatically populated. Then is the contact level, that who was the person, who was the Ramji from that company. So I'll select manager over here. And then the FG product code. So this one is product code is not yet mentioned over here. I have to reselect the FG subgroup. Allow me a minute. I'll select the subgroup as cup, and then I'll click on the FG product code. So there would be different number of cups. See, the ice cream cups are there. I select the first one, the ice cream cup, and their code is 91020001. Alright, and accordingly this has to be selected, and then we have to enter the specific interest. So I can mention ice cream cup, and this remark is, I'll mention any remark which I need to mention over here, the good deal. And then we have to select enter the quantity. I'll select 1000, and per cup the approximate value would be 2000. Right, allow me a minute. Then we have to select the country name as Saudi, and this is the Saudi Arabia country. And sorry, by mistake the other one has been selected. I have selected Saudi Arabia, and then city name as Dammam again. Right, and for the costing, this is the very crucial option, that whether you want to make the costing in the InSoft software or not. So I have to click on yes to create the costing as well. This is all the details are fulfilled, and now I will click on save button to save this lead. There would be the lead number creation, and the print preview would be there. Allow me a minute. So client remarks, just a minute. This I fulfilled, but by mistake they have got deleted. Just a minute. So again I'll click on save again. Let me see, is there any other option left? Appointment date, we have to mention the date as well, 10th of April 2021. And any other option left? All the options are fulfilled. So now I'll click on save button. Now it is saying, are you sure you want to save it? I'll click on yes. Here this lead has been saved automatically, and see the print preview would be there would be a reminder. I'll click on yes, and there would be an auto email which will be sent to my email ID, and that email will have the XML file which is to be utilized for creating the costing and the quotation as well. So this is the lead creation. So this has been saved, and I'll give you the path once again: CRM and order management, CRM module, CRM transaction, and lead or inquiry entry. Right? Thank you. Have a blessed day.